Hi everyone, I'm Sangram Tirke, Senior Director, Systems Engineering here at Inseego. I'm very excited to be here with you to talk about our latest 5G innovation. We're unboxing something super exciting, the Inseego Wavemaker 5G Cellular Router FX4100. And I'll briefly touch on another new product as well, the Wavemaker Mesh Wi-Fi X700. Let's dive right in. First, in the FX4100 box, we have the Get Started guide along with the warranty and safety information, so always good to keep these handy. Next, we have the sleek FX4100. This router will look great in any environment and has integrated internal antennas, so it's literally ready to go right out of the box. And finally, we have the power adapter and a USB cable. It's a standard adapter, but make sure to check that the voltage compatibility with your location. Let's take a closer look. You can see the ports on the back. We've got two WAN LAN Ethernet ports, a USB power port, and behind this we have a SIM connector, a SIM slot, as well as two SMA ports for an optional external antennas should your site require them. On the front, it has helpful LED indicators for power, internet, and signal strength. And for the first time ever, we have an intuitive display that will come in handy during setup and to check the device status at any time. Now, let's talk about some of the technical specifications. This router supports both standalone and non-standalone 5G connectivity with fallback capability to 4G, which means it will keep you connected almost anywhere. The FX4100 also features dual-band Wi-Fi 7 technology, providing faster speeds and better performance in congested areas. Also, with Easy Connect standards, you can connect up to 128 Wi-Fi enabled devices, including our Wavemaker Mesh Wi-Fi X700 with primary and guest network options. Setup couldn't be easier. It's truly plug and play. Simply start by scanning the QR code on the Get Started guide. The QR code will prompt you to install the Inseego mobile app. The mobile app will walk you through the installation procedure for the FX4100. This device comes with a pre-installed SIM, but if you need to reinsert one, simply open the back panel and reinsert the SIM card. Next, plug in the power adapter. Once the device is powered on, verify that the LED is green or blue. This means that you're connected to the network. Now you can connect your device to the router over Wi-Fi or Ethernet and enjoy blazing fast 5G speeds. And there you have it. Your 5G cellular router is ready to go. Thanks for joining me for this unboxing of the FX4100.